Hey guys, welcome back to the notes study video. Guys, in this video we will discuss when you try to pair your iPhone with AirDrop. So you may face a problem that something went wrong and error occurred while pairing. Please try again. So how can you fix it? So guys, we can fix it very easily. So simply guys, you may just go back, and first of all guys, you may just open the settings of your iPhone, iPad or any other iOS gadget. And then guys, first of all you will make sure that you have turned on your Bluetooth, and then guys you may click here on general and scroll down, and here is the option of transfer or reset iPhone. Click here, click on reset, and click on reset network settings, and then click here on reset all settings. Then guys you may go back, and you may click here on software update and update your iPhone or iPad to the latest iOS version. Then go back guys, and you may open your other iPhone. So you may unlock this your other iPhone, and then you may bring close these two iPhones each other, and then guys you may check that now your AirDrop is working properly, and now you can connect your iPhones together easily. So by all these methods you can fix it very easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos please subscribe our channel.